Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'll be introducing to you a mining site that gives you Satoshi for mining. Okay, it gives you Satoshi for mining, and this site has been a legit site. This site has been a legit site because I've been mining Satoshi from this site for the past 1 year now, and there is nothing like crash. This site has not crashed. It always paid. Once you get to the minimum withdrawal, you will be able to withdraw your Satoshi, and this Satoshi can be converted to any crypto of your choice, in which I normally convert mine to Bitcoin, or I withdraw via BNB. So guys, I'm going to show you how to create a wallet. You create an account for this, and once you create an account, register with an email address. Once you register with your email address, you create a strong password. You don't need to worry about that because I'll be dropping the link on the description box below. So guys, like I said, that if you're looking for a legit mining site that actually pays you for your effort, then it is 8BTC, just like the coin pay you, which I introduced you guys to. And I will be dropping a video on CoinPayU again on how to increase your earnings. Maybe you have registered for CoinPayU and you don't know how to earn at all. I'll be dropping a video about that on how to increase your earnings on a task you will need to perform to gain more Satoshi. Okay, so guys, I've been able to mine 1,000 of this token. As you can see here, I've been able to mine 1,334 Satoshi. And once I get to 10,000 Satoshi, I just want to mine to 10,000 Satoshi or more, and then I'll be withdrawing it to my Trust wallet. Okay, because why I'm using Trust wallet is that Trust wallet does not have a minimum withdrawal. It does not have a minimum withdrawal. You can withdraw any amount to your Trust wallet. Why some local exchange there, they have a minimum withdrawal which you can withdraw, and if you happen to withdraw without checking their minimum withdrawal, you will lose all your funds. So that is why I recommend Trust wallet to this mining site. Okay, if you don't have Trust wallet, you can go to Play Store, download Trust wallet. So guys, before I introduce you to the advert, to the clicks, if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel to help me a lot. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then turn on the bell button to get notified whenever I come back to post a new video like this. And also share this video with your friends so that we can all make money together online. You guys, on how to claim Satoshi, you see here that so many means of mining Satoshi on this app. You can see that we have here the soft adverts. This is the soft adverts. This one will be giving you advert to click, and you'll be credited with Satoshi. And then we have the auto soft here. You can see through auto soft, you can earn through soft ads, auto soft, and then active window soft. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on soft adverts. Once I click on soft adverts, and let's see what will happen there. Now a little mathematical, they are going to test your brain. Okay, just a little sum. You just need to do that, give them the answer, and you're good to go. It will just say, just look at this figure very well. This is 9 plus 8. Okay, and then you go down here. Mathematical is you just need to type the answer. Here. 9 plus 8, that should be 17. So go ahead and type 17, and then I'll submit the answer, and then the advert will appear. If the answer is correct, you'll be given a Satoshi. Here I'll have to click and view this site, and I'll be credited with 2.1 Satoshi. So I'll be clicking on it. I'll click to open, and once I click to open, you will allow the advert to come up so that you will be credited. Allow it to load like this, and once it's finished loading, for some seconds, you can go back to check if you have been credited. Okay, go back to check if you have been credited. Okay, yeah, so excellent. I've been credited. You can see here that my balance has been I've added. Okay, on the top, on the top of your page, you will see your balance adding. You see the balance adding up. So that's just it. Okay, my balance has been added, so I'll go ahead and then another one be it to keep coming up, advert to keep coming up. You just need to click to accumulate more Satoshi. Okay, you click to. So guys, if you really want to make a legit, if you really want to withdraw from the site, you need to put your effort in and then you will withdraw. Okay, this is it will really consume your effort. Okay, but it pays. This is not the promise and fail stuff. It will pay you. Once you get to the threshold, it will pay you. As long as you are carrying out the task, it will pay. So I'll go ahead and open another advert. I'll allow it to open properly, and I'll go back to check if I've been credited. Okay, so just like this, so on and so forth. And then every day they make sure that they will be giving you once you are done, they will add more advert. They will add more. You click and then you earn your Satoshi. Okay, you click and then you earn your Satoshi, just like that. This is not millions of money. This is just a little money, but you will be paid for your effort. As long as you put your time to it, you'll be paid. Okay, this side pays you for your efforts. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna allow this to open properly, then I'll go back to check if I have been credited. Like I said, that you need to open you need to register with an email address. Okay, register with an email address and then you mine. Okay, go back. Okay, you have earned 2.1 Satoshi. So I've been given 2.1 Satoshi, and my balance is going to change. Okay, my balance will change. So after that, they are going to add another one to me, just like this, so on and so forth. I'll be given another one. So I'm going to scroll down to check if my balance has been changed. Okay, you will see your balance to keep changing gradually, to keep changing. Okay, the balance will keep increasing. So I think I've been able to earn 70 Satoshi for just clicking of today. You can see that my balance has been changed here. I'm now having 1,338 Satoshis. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and then and repeat the same stuff again. Yeah, now they said that I have watched all the available ads for now. Please come back later. New site are adding several times a day. User with higher rating have more ads available. Okay, now guys, you can see that after now I'll just need to log in again. This they give you on a daily basis. You'll be given Satoshi. Okay, you'll be giving Satoshi. So in some minute I'll have to check in again to see if I have been given Satoshi. Okay, if I've been given Satoshi. Then I told you there are other methods of earning. There are other methods of earning. The first one I clicked was soft ads. I'm done with soft ads. Okay, let's see auto window soft if I have anything there, and we can also earn through video ads. Okay, now I don't have anything here, but with time before the end of the day, they are going to put more adverts for me. So guys, this is just it. So without wasting much time, I will be dropping the link on the description box below there. You just need to click on the link. It will redirect you here. Then sign up with an email address and a password. Once you sign up, you carry out the tasks that will be given, and you will see your balance here increasing. Once you are done, more advert will be added every day on a daily basis till you get to the minimum threshold, and then you withdraw. Okay, now if you want to withdraw you can withdraw from 5,000 Satoshi upward. You can withdraw directly, or you can withdraw directly to your advert. If you want to withdraw, you just need to click on withdraw. You click on withdraw, then you can see that I've added my withdrawal address, my Bitcoin, I've added my Bitcoin address, Faucet Pay. You can withdraw through Bitcoin, you can withdraw through Faucet Pay, but just that if you happen to withdraw via Faucet Pay, you will need to create an account with Faucet. And Faucet Pay, you can withdraw from 3,000 Satoshi and above, or I think 2,000 Satoshi and above you can withdraw. But withdrawing directly to a Bitcoin account like maybe Trust Wallet, you will need to get to 5,000 Satoshi or more before you can withdraw. As you can see, this is my withdrawal address. I've already put my withdrawal address. Okay, I've added my withdrawal address. So if I want to withdraw now, I have not gotten to the I've not gotten to the minimum withdrawal. You can see I've made several withdrawals from this site, so I decided to share it with you. All you got to do now is just to log in and then you start your minings, and definitely you will be paid. Definitely you will be paid. So for those of you that register with CoinPayU and you are not doing anything about it, CoinPayU is really paying. That is the most number one and number two legit site that I can refer to all my subscribers. Okay, CoinPayU pays, 8BTC paid. So don't joke with these two sites. Like I said again, that I'll come back in CoinPayU and I'm going to show you what to do on CoinPayU to increase your mining, to increase your mining rate. Okay, so until then, sub to this channel, share this video with your friends out there, like and comment on the comment section if you have any question, and do well to also join my Telegram channel. The Telegram channel is open for you to interact if you have any question. Okay, it's open for you to interact with me if you have any question. Okay, and I'll come back again with another interesting video like this. Until then, remain blessed, guys. I love you guys, and see you in my next video, and bye bye.